Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here is Honda ZR-V Hybrid. One owner only, super low mileage and immaculate condition. Let's check it out. Just have a look at this beauty. This is the first time we have Honda ZR-V in our lot, so let's have a good look. Looks very beautiful in white color. Paintwork is absolutely flawless. The rims are all nice, not curved. Tires almost new. This car is as good as buying a brand new unit. Just have a look at this beauty. Behind we have very stylish taillights, and now check out the boot space. We have fully electric tailgate. The boot space is very spacious. As you can see, of course, these benches can fold flat to create even more room. And we also have inbuilt hooks here on each side, and even a 12-volt socket. Behind, very spacious for your rear passengers. Beautiful leather in perfect condition with very nice contrast stitching. We also have rear passenger aircon and USB ports for you to charge your electronics. And now let's go in. Alright, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. First things first, we have 3-spoke steering wheel, very nice. It's multifunctional, comes with pedal shifters that are metallic, very nice, feels very high quality. Fully digital speedometer cluster, which will also change pattern a little bit when you change to different mode. You see in sport it turns to red color, in normal it's like grayish, and in economy it's like a green color thingy. Alright, your aircon controls here, very nice, very easy to use, very intuitive. I really like how they incorporated the display within the turning knobs. This is really cool. Of course, we have touchscreen infotainment system that comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a very clear reverse camera. Okay, let's put it back to park. What I also like is all this soft touch leather and stitching on the material make the car feel more premium. This is leather as well. This is leather as well, also beautifully stitched. Have a look at the condition of the seats. Really very good. Another design element I really like is this honeycomb mesh on your aircon unit. Very nice, very stylo, in line with the current Honda design language. We also have some charging port over here for your convenience, additional storage here as well, couple of cup holders, basically pretty much everything you need, including a place to store your sunglasses. Okay, this is your gear selector. This is the new type of gear selector you may find in new Hondas. Something I'm not a big fan of, however, I think once you get used to it, it is very simple to use. This is to go to drive, this is to go to reverse, and this is to put back to park. Very simple. Of course, electric parking brake and a brake hold function as well. Have another look. Alright guys, overall ZR-V is a very nice SUV. It's quite a little bit bigger than a Vezel, also a little bit nicer in terms of overall design and features, I guess. On COE we still have 8 years and 1 month left. This car is powered by a 2-liter hybrid engine, so the drive is very powerful, really feels very good on the road driving this car. Viewing is available daily in our showroom, and you all know what to do. Call me and we'll give you a good deal.